Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up two different packages. One comes from Mr. Dan Edwards all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. And the other one comes all the way from Ohio from Mr. Ryan Myers. Ryan also has a YouTube channel called Tommy Boy Knives and EDC. And right now, as you can see, he's up to 99 subscribers. He's needing to get over that hump, so I'd appreciate it so much if y'all could go over there and help him out, let him get over the hump. The first 100 subscribers is the hardest to get. I promise you it is. It don't seem like it never gets there, but then it just starts to flow. So once he gets over that hump, it'll be good then. But y'all go over there and just tell him I said hey. Thank y'all so much. And also, guys, today, speaking of Mr. Dan Edwards, the package I'm fixing to open, I'm meeting him today, Wednesday. How about that? We're going to be meeting at Newnan, Georgia again with Mr. Ken Lewis. He's coming down, so it'll be me, Ken Lewis, and Mr. Dan. We're going to be having a new segment of Barbecue and Blades. But we're going to be eating at Sprayberry's, a barbecue restaurant that's been open for 96 years. I cannot wait to see it. Cannot wait to get up there and taste the barbecue. It's got to be good if it's been open for 96 years. So I cannot wait to get back up there and see Mr. Ken and see Mr. Dan again. And one of these knives in here he found at an estate sale, and he wants me to repair a tip for it. So that's what we're going to be doing. Probably won't show me repairing a tip. I'll show you the before and after just to save time. But guys, the reason I love barbecue restaurants, there's nothing more Americana than that. You got Zippos, you got Blades, and you got barbecue restaurants, you got Harley Davidsons. All those just has the Americana feel to it. It's just, that's where they began. You know, the barbecue restaurants of the United States is original. They're unique. Each one is unique to their own way they cook, their sauces. They got stuff all over the walls. Some of them are a hole in the wall. Some are in a brick building right beside the road. Some are in a shack. It's just, I just love them. I just love to go try it. Because one thing, my dad and mom used to have a barbecue restaurant when I was really young. The name of the barbecue restaurant in Ellaville here was called Jeb's Barbecue. And they got Jeb's from my daddy's first letter from each part of his name, John Edward Bentley Sr. So Jeb's. And it was open for about 12 years. And I remember my mom used to get up every morning at 4 a.m. to go in, to be there by 5, to start making biscuits, to be open by 6, to serve, ham and biscuits and sausage and biscuits, bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. But their main thing was barbecue, and that's what my dad did, and he was really good at it. But I watched I grew up around that stuff. I grew up with my mom working in the restaurant. I grew up with my brother and my sister and my daddy just cooking that meat, and I just love it. I do. And that's why I love to smoke meat down there at the cabin, because it kind of reminds me of when I was young, and just like the knives and Zippos do. And I just love it. And so there's nothing more Americana when you combine barbecue, you combine pocket knives, and you combine the Zippos. All three of those remind me of my daddy. And I just love it. And I hope y'all do too. And we're going to have another segment of Barbecue and Blades today, but you'll probably be seeing it either Friday or Saturday. I don't know yet, but I hope y'all don't mind, because I enjoy it. I really do, and I hope y'all do too. Anyway, guys, let's get over here and on these open these packages. But first, I want to tell you about the Wiggins Knife Show out in Wiggins, Mississippi. Deep South Cutlery is putting it on October 3rd and 4th. This is coming Friday and Saturday. Here it is right here. It's going to be a great show, guys. You got YouTube channels coming in. You got Mr. Rex Wiseman from Brother Blades and More. You got Mr. Big Jim from Barlow Brigade. You got Deep South Cutlery. You got Mr. Preacher, Seth, Joe, Heath Warren. You got Bobby. Just awesome folks there. And, of course, don't forget about Mr. Kevin Stubbs. If y'all see him, tell him I said tighten up. Tighten up, because I'll be seeing them here in November. They're all coming here in November. Mr. Rex Wiseman, Mr. Jim, Barlow Brigade, he's coming. And Deep South Cutlery will be here too. We got HTZDC that's coming to the Ellaville Knife Show AW Custom Designs is coming down. Mr. Clark's Kentucky Knives is coming down. And I know Mr. Georgia Adventure is also coming down. Just going to be a great day, guys. Great day, November 15th. I didn't mean to jump from the the Wiggins, Mississippi Knife Show over to Ellaville Knife Show, but that's just worked out that way. I hope y'all don't mind. But anyway, if you're in the area, if y'all want to see some good knives and see some awesome people, go to the Wiggins Knife Show, Wiggins, Mississippi at the fairgrounds. The 3rd and 4th of October. That's this Friday and Saturday. Great people to see. And then November 15th, it's going to be another great knife show here in Ellaville, Georgia. So thank y'all. Anyway, let's get over here and open these packages. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, the first package that we're going to open up is from Mr. Ryan Myers, all the way from Twinsburg, Ohio. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Tommy Boy Knives and EDC. Y'all, please go over there and check him out. Look at here. Dear Doc, first and foremost, I want to thank you for your service and put your life on the line for this great country. Well, buddy, thank you for that, Ryan. I want to thank you for your channel. I can't explain how much you have inspired me to start my own channel. You also taught me how to hunt for knives, what to look for, and now to clean them. Both me and my mom look forward to watching you every day. I'm all caught up on all your videos. Well, buddy, thank y'all so much for all the support. I feel like I have known you for a long time, and for all the guys I have met. I get such a kick out of Wade. He is a great fit fellow. He is. He really is a good friend of mine. As time went on, I got to know Glenn and miss him so very much. He was such a great guy, and I cried when he passed. My mom had the same fight with cancer, so please keep her in your prayers. Yes, sir. I sure will. So sorry to hear that. Both me and my mom wish we could make it to the show on November 15th. It is the same day as my mom's birthday. Well, that is so awesome. Doc, I just want to say thank you for a great person you are. You are my role model. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Love, Tommy Boy and Mom. P.S. Here are a few gifts. I couldn't do much, but I feel like I owe you the world. Well, buddy, thank you so much for all these kind words, man. Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to write all this too, buddy. I got some of this, and I know your story from when we talked on the phone. Thank you so much for your time that day. I appreciate you sharing what you did. And it's just amazing how, again, my channel has evolved, and I get a lot of thanks for how much my channel has helped folks. And I'm telling you guys, y'all help me just as much as I help y'all. But thank you so much. I'm humbled by this. I really am. And thank you, Ryan, for writing all that. Well, let's appreciate the stickers, Ryan, and tell your mom I said hey, and I'll be praying for her for the fight against cancer. Let's see what he sent. Oh, look at that, y'all. Ryan, you couldn't have done no better, buddy. That's going up on my wall of fame. I love that. I love that, Ryan. Thank you so much, man. This case, too, look at there. A Swiss, or is that a Winger? Is that a Swiss Army? Or a Winger. It might be a Winger. I think it is. Yeah. But I love these, dude. Love these so much. Really do. And I appreciate you taking care of your mom too, buddy. Again, I know your story. I'm not going to share it. But I also want to send you this knife here I just recently got. And I can get me another one of these when I go up there. I just bought this from the Colette Country Store. And I'm going to be sending you this knife right here in the mail. Probably tomorrow. But check this out. This is a case. Rust lock, buddy. Look at there. Ain't that cool? but it is a 2022. He said he was wanting one of these, and I'm going to be sending him this knife here. Ain't that cool? It's a pretty one. It really is. But this will be in the mail tomorrow, along with a challenge coin, along with some stickers too, buddy. Thank you so much for these. And you couldn't have done no better. I promise you. I love those. Really do. And I hope you enjoy this knife, buddy. And again, tell your mama I said hey, and I'll be praying for her. So thank you again, buddy, for all the support. And reach out anytime, okay? Mr. Ryan sent all those gifts all the way from Twinsburg, Ohio, right near Cleveland. 801 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Ryan, buddy, thank you so much for the Marine Corps patches, buddy. Thank you so much for your stickers. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate all the support of the channel. God bless you, buddy. Okay, guys, now we're fixing to open up this package all the way from Mr. Dan Edwards right here. See here? Oh, I already know one thing that he sent. Well, a few things. Well, guys, I forgot to mention one thing, that Mr. Dan is a Marine. I can't wait to see him up there, but I want to thank Mr. Dan for his service, buddy. Thank you so much. Dear Knife Doctor, there are actually some peanuts in this package, along with the best things to polish a knife. Try this polish. I think you'll like it, and there's nothing softer than those 100% cotton baby diapers. Thought you might like to see this recent estate sale pickup. All I did was hit it with some Never Dull and soaked it in mineral oil in an hour or so. I haven't touched the blades. Can't wait to 15th November. Best, Dan. Well, buddy, I can't wait to see this thing. He let me know what he found at an estate sale. We'll be opening it last, but he sent me some polishing cloths. 100% baby diapers. Okay. Here's that polishing, the polishing wax right here. Let's see what it looks like. Look at there. Very, very cool. And that right there says Pie Creator England. I don't know, I'm not saying that right. By appointment to H.M. the Queen. Look at there. Supplier of products for restoration and conservation. Made in England. Well, I'll be dog. Well, thank you, Mr. Dan. I can't wait to try that, buddy. Appreciate that. And look what he sent me. Look here. U.S. Marine Corps. Iwo Jima. How about that? My son has been over there twice to Iwo Jima. I never went. I always went to the Mediterranean, and he went twice over there to he went to Iwo Jima, Japan, and Korea, South Korea. And look at that patch. Hoorah. Love it, man. Thank you so much for that. Buddy, thank you. And let's look at the peanuts. He said there's some peanuts in here. A gift for you. Look here. Virginia peanuts. How about that? See what they look like, too. Even comes with a little screwdriver. A little pry bar. Oh, yeah. How do you open that? I just tore it open. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I can't wait to try these peanuts. They smell good. They're salty too. Man. Put these up. Save them for tonight, man. Hoorah. Home cooked salted Virginia peanuts. Hubbard Peanut Company. Hubs. Mr. Dan, thank you so much for that, buddy. They're all good. He said they were. Now, we're going to look at this gem of a knife that he found. And we're going to go over there and do the tip. This knife, guys, he found. I'm not going to share the price. But it was a really, really good deal. Super deal. stuff you don't find, prices you don't find every day, especially this kind of knife. Look at that. Red bone is beautiful. And well, he said he thought it was green bone, because I don't think they were doing red bone back then. It looks more like a brown. But look here. Case tested. Beautiful. But all we're going to do, guys, is come down some and give it a new edge. It's going to be a beautiful piece. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm all done. I gave it a little spot treatment too. Shined it up some. Look at there. Look at them bolsters. Look at that bone. It's got like a red tint to it, guys, but I think it's green bone. I really do, because they wasn't making red bone back in the day. We'll look at it. Look at that. And look at that tip right there. New edge on that side. New edge on that side. Ain't got no snap. You see, the spring ain't coming out. See here. Ain't coming out. It's barely coming out. It's got half stop, but you don't want the blades loose. It's got some battle scars, but it's a beautiful, beautiful knife. I love that bone right there. Ain't it beautiful? You see, these are pinned right here. See the shield? That's pinned. Bomb shield, I think it is. Ain't it beautiful, guys? He did a good find on this thing. Case test is 1920 to 1940. But I love that tip, the way it turned out with the edge right there. Beautiful, ain't it? That bone is absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, Mr. Dan will be getting it today. I'll be up there today, as of probably right now, as we're talking. He's unseen this knife. So this video come out on the day we met, which was perfect timing. That way he didn't get to see it before we got up there. Hoorah. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just want to thank Mr. Ryan Myers from Twinsburg, Ohio, and Mr. Dan Edwards from Atlanta, Georgia. Thank y'all so much for all the gifts. Appreciate y'all so much for supporting the channel. And guys, I just want to remind y'all about the Wiggins Knife Show, October 3rd and 4th. That's this Friday and Saturday. Here's a flyer right here. I think the doors open at 9 a.m. It's going to be a bunch of great knives out there. It's going to be a great knife show. Tell everybody I said hey. And I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp. And guys, the Stay Sharp knife belongs to Mr. Dan Edwards. I'll be giving it to him today. Okay? And this knife, guys, is a 4-inch jumbo jack. How about that? There it is right there. And it is 4 inches long. I measured it. The pattern number on it is 52.99.5, but there is no pattern number because they wasn't putting them on there back then. They didn't start that for every knife until 1949, okay? Even though they were doing a few here or there, but they started on every knife in 1949. But anyway, the only handle material for the tested period, guys, was black composition, yellow composition, stag, green bone, and rough black. How about that? And some of them had spear blades, some of them had clip blades in them. Well, this one here is a green bone with a clip blade. And believe it or not, guys, if this thing was mint back in 2008, it would have been worth $1,000. See there, clip blade, $1,000. Green bone, 1920 to 40, tested, $62.99.5. But that is the Stay Sharp knife for today, guys. And going from Dan Edwards, and he will be getting it today. So, again, guys, thank y'all. Each and every one of y'all. And y'all stay sharp.